Today we're looking at this easy problem 27, remove element. Given an integer array, a number, and a number value, remove all the occurrence of the value in nums in place. The order of the elements may change, then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to the value. Consider the numbers of um, consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following. Change the array nums such that the first k element of the num contains the element which are not equal to the value. The remaining elements of the nums are not important, and as well as the size of the nums. Return k. So basically, we need int k is equal to 0, and we need to return k. Let's see what we have to do in the middle. Custom judge. The judge will test your solution with the following code: int array nums, input array value to remove, int expected nums, the expected answer with the correct length. It is sorted with no values equal to val. Int k, remove elements value nums val called implementation k is equal to expected nums length, and sort the first k element of nums for in nums equal. Okay, so if you look at the example, we're supposed to return how many values we remove, but we also have to make sure that the remaining values are at the front. Okay, so I mean the basic idea for this one is we have an element k, and we just want to check if so we can compare k with the first element, and we can possibly we'll loop through this thing, the element I, and we'll say, you know, if we check if what we can do is if so if I is not equal to this, we swap the value of k and we increment it. We increment k with it, and we move that ahead. Here, and once we get to, and basically we'll be moving the value of this as well, and once we get to a 2, then we basically swap it. So it'll be something like for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, and basically we check if nums I is not equal to val, we say nums k is equal to nums I and k plus plus. So basically we we basically keep on basically say, oh, we're here, let's swap this, swap this, swap this, and then we come to 2 and we don't swap it. So we keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving, and when we find a number, then we say, okay, swap this. Then we go, this is going to be 3, this is going to be 2, and check again, and we increment the k here, and another 2 is there, and we swap that. So we come here, then we will here, and we swap that, and basically when we swap it, we don't. We can either mark it as something, or we can just mark it as blank as well. And so as we move forward, k is basically there to the number we swap. So then that becomes 0, and that becomes 4, and the 2's are more or less moved there. So let's just try this out. Let's see if this works. Misspelled. Okay, let's just submit this. And we're able to solve it.